Hall number 3. In Hall 3, the evolution of the creation of agrarian ecosystem is presented as a result of human economic activity. Since ancient times, man has exploited the natural environment based on the richness of the soils. Moldova is an agricultural country, and fertile soils are a very important element of the national economy. The high degree of fertility of the soils in the region was mentioned as early as the 5th century before Christ by the Greek historian Herodotus. They were researched and described in numerous scientific works from the modern period by the scientist Grosu Tolstoy in 1858 and Berg and Dokuchaev. These scientists qualified Chernozem soil as the king of soils and gave it a much higher appreciation than coal, oil, and even gold. In the post-war period, the founder and organizer of soil research was the renowned scientist academician Nicolae Dimon. Today, the Institute of Soil Study, Agrochemistry and Soil Protection in Chisinau bears his name. An important and current problem is the rational use of soils, the greening of agriculture, and the reduction of pesticide usage. The inhomogeneous nature of the natural conditions, especially the climate, vegetation, animal world, relief and bedrock, have contributed to the formation of a variety of soil covers, which is distinguished by high fertility. The researchers have presented in the exhibition 16 natural-sized soil monoliths typical for our territory, made up of brown soils, forest ash, Chernozem soils, solonets, and alluvial soils. Each soil group corresponds to a certain type of vegetation and ecosystem. According to the researchers of the great soil expert Igor Krupenikov, more than 745 varieties of soils have been identified and described on the territory of the Republic of Moldova, most of which belong to Chernozem type, fertile soil which occupies 75% of the territory of our country. The fertility of these soils decreased a lot, decreasing the amount of humus. The anthropogenic factor greatly influenced the soil degradation process. Some activities such as excessive plugging, deforestation, draining of swamps cause harmful natural processes. Thus, today, many lands are subject to landslides and erosion. There is also excessive drying of the soil, its salinization, the considerable reduction of river flows. Consequently, the plant and animal world suffers a lot. Number of species decrease. Some species of plants and animals have the ability to easily adapt to a new living environment. Others have a hard time bearing the loss of habitat and are exposed to the danger of extinction.